Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Owen, with a demonstration video of my air fryer I have. And this morning I figured I was going to try to do toast and egg. Yeah, toast and egg. And I saw this recipe on YouTube, which has a lot of, demos and recipes for air fryers and recipes. And I thought, hey, I want to try it. So today we're going to do a toast egg bacon meal. My basket's a little small. I thought I could put 2 pieces of toast in it. I can't. And I was told that, yeah, you can make bacon in an air fryer. So I'm like, okay, why not? So I took 1 egg. All right. Well, first I took the bread, wheat bread, and I put it in the center of the basket. And I put a slice of bacon around the egg, as you could tell. Now I'm going to put it inside the fryer. All right. Now, this air fryer is kind of a weird one that I got because it doesn't really have numbers on it, but it has like a little pin where I can see where it's at 375, okay, because there's no numbers. But here I just put the basket in, and let's turn this sucker on. And wait, let me just turn the timer here. Okay, this is the timer. Set it for about 10 minutes. You can hear it running right now. So hopefully in about 10 minutes we'll find out what happens. It could either go really great or really bad. So I'll be right back, guys. Guys, look, check this out. This is my bacon and egg toast done in an air fryer, and it looks like it is done. Oh yeah, the possible has been done. Yes, this is awesome, guys. This is my demonstration for you guys for egg toast bacon, and it should be good, and I just might make another one. And there you guys have it. A bacon egg sandwich. Or half of a sandwich. But yeah, I did this all on an air fryer. And like I said, this is my first demonstration video on an air fryer. I'm going to post this up. Let me know what you guys think. And this is so awesome. It tastes so good. The bacon's not as burnt, but that's okay. We all survived.